Enti sana musi mitri nwefu an ene ma no ho nwenu ma boye sana musi efu mu nkoyi. Eta fere makwa koyi na busa me koyi ba ye no. Me won say Prophet Kofi Oduro. Ene Minister for Information and Communication, Honorable Sam George. Omudi nkomo efa Russian guy no be piem Ghana ho ye say wo be fa ye money free no. Oh, wo be money free. Omu e chiro wadwen e wo ho na ebuzu ansem no. Aya Christ kan sem no eduru ebunu mu. Me man chire mu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah block media. Best for say any dey mu. Obe like video no da ma go subscribe button somebody click notification and connect latest update. Somebody chire wadwen da ma me e wo comment section so ba so. No share for anya bia hwe. So my friends 33 Enra and Nsawam to Accra Road. Accident happened here. So it was yesterday, Saturday, 14 February 2026. And a year Valentine's Day. In fact, let me take this opportunity to wish you a happy Valentine's Day. And one was for the no me also me SD. General me call church. Meant me anya video and into my wish Valentine. It no me mamunyina Valentine's Day. Now, mo as I'm saying mo try acha aboso me match results ebeba. Emra na ebinyam. Emra na ebianya ace. Emra na biso nya gono normal. It mo ntwan. Mo try am so na say we no dance for. Mo try bi dura no. Results ebeba acha ye boso me ba papa ebeba. What you see? Now, everyone na Valentine's Day, no. And unfortunately for Ghana, Accra to Nsawam Road, accident be happen. And a fuel tanker. I said, na airco. Now, out of no hope, the sea, and it was a teacher. A teacher, they say, when I say, catch it. A nipa for a she, crowd, and so, Emma, Biblinan, a prepare. I might say, Caribbean or the Caribbean, a shit done, so, Caribbean, a she condemn. Now, say, a sea, na eni before say explosion ni beba no na nipa ni bi epu ekosesa je say fuel na explode no na nipa ni bi epu ko ho no ekosesa.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is inside Nsawam, and as you can see, there's an issue. A tanker just fell this morning, and then the way people are rushing to fetch the diesel is uncalled for. Anything can happen. So we are calling I think fire service are here. Ghana police too is on their way coming, and then the road to Kumasi has been blocked due to this accident. So we are calling for reinforcements. Look at the people. Anything can just happen. A lot of life is at stake now. So inside some police show, whoever is watching this video, people are fighting over the diesel. So it's uncalled for. A lot of life is at stake. When we're the Kumasi main road, this is the Kumasi main road. When descent is on powerful chrome, there is a very big accident, and then a lot of life is at stake. Look at how the people are fetching the diesel from the gutters. It's very dangerous. So whoever is watching this video, please. I think Ghana Fire Service, Aban, you are doing well. Thank you. Yeah, we have the fire service men around. They are doing a great job. They are trying to calm the people down. It's very serious. So, whoever is watching this video should.
Risking their life for this. Minim se no mo say a page a o metimi a wudi a I don't know. But as I do in Africa, yak Africans for no more. BBC abenso mu ba no especially petrol those fuel no if there's an explosion means we must start ba besesa minim so monim say a page o mo nyina betimi awudi a na on that issue no be so enne Kofi Oduro prophet ekọ na so na oya asori no na o kire na adwen ewo ho.
I will want to make a little digression before I start my presentation this morning. Now, one of the problems that Ghana is dealing with is foolishness. One of our biggest problems is that this nation predominantly is a foolish nation. It sounds very harsh. It sounds very rude, but that is the truth. Relax. And Africa predominantly, there are so many foolish people on our continent. And while they were trying to extract wasted fuel, fire ignited. It burned one big bus, 55 passengers have injured. They have injured, burnt with burns all over their body, languishing in the hospital right now. Over 5 vehicles, the petrol went to them, burned them to ashes. There is not even a skeletal frame for their families to bury. There is nothing there to show. Burned to ashes. And so when I stand here, I have a duty to a nation and to a body of Christ. Bless your heart. It is sad. Ubi akrane yire ne ma se ye kwa ba free se yankwa munidi. Adi yekowie ya ne se wahye wawu na abusua pani abisa se owehe. Yesu ni baby ya wahye wayera. I pray that the Lord will comfort these families and heal your hearts.
Na nenkasa nto aso na beti see Russian guy na oba Ghana hanomo no. Once oba in fact or very money free. Emma research quite say guy no over AIDS, over HIV, because according to reports no, the girlfriend I only know Russia and a man HIV no. It honors I know he say okay say oba am AIDS dia any be so meche oh amansan chefa meche any say waba Africa. You Ghana kono buy Africa nyina Kenya so akoye bi wo ho no mo say Africa hanom de wo share spectacle a camera ewom ne bi and odi video man without their consent or the yes adwuma no na e man na omuom na busia prophet Kofi Oduro wa fan spill mo wa blast mo pa.
When a nation is that desperate, weak, hungry, frustrated, to the point that we have become so lazy that one Russian gentleman can outwit young, beautiful ladies, including people's wives. God, under God, under God, under God. Why are we not marching on? The altar is broken. The altar is, until the altar is repaired, forget about your nonsense. Forget about it. Obroni ba kutimi efa $20. Washe will be eating or say, can you follow me? Or can you come with me? Na ubiri dinechi. Na ne spectacle chani panere. Na wako urani hotel room. Are we that cheap? And don't be quick to criticize those women because there are more cheaper women and men in church. I'm telling you. More cheaper. Ubibe timia kachiro obi say, "Mamema will lift after this service onene be timia kodane." It will shock you. This is how broken our walls are. I'm telling you, this is how broken. Most of it's noise. Noise. Hallelujah. A lot of that, 45% of the are theoretics, are gimmicks and noise. Actually, most of that is nonsense. I'm telling you the mind of God. It's no joke. It's a very serious business. Are you hearing me? Let's welcome our mother, Mama Abasi in the house. Mama Stella. Say a good name. If most of the things we're doing are not noise, are not nonsense, are not, I'm telling you, by now we would have seen the glory of God long time. Long time. I'm seriously talking to you. I'm seriously saying, yeah, break it down, your altar. Why do we have diabetes with us? Show me only one person who had stroke in the Bible who walked with God faithfully. Only one. One from one. And we cannot even get ourselves healed. And noise is because the heart is broken, the altar is broken. I'm telling you. And yes, I remember, Apostle J.R.K. Mensah held a crusade at Orion many years ago. It was Mary Ganza who was singing. Simple song. It is just one line. She repeated the song over 100 times. Cripples came out of wheelchairs. People came out from clutches, bands, neck bands, waist bands, and all that. And J.R.K. Mensah, apostle, had not yet laid hands on anybody. It was just a minister of gospel songs who was worshiping, leading the people, and the power of God was at flow. Tell me why we have all kinds of conditions in the house of God. Why check into the open check? Yeah, open and check it. Don't check. Something is absolutely wrong because the altar is broken. So the first thing he did, the Bible said that he repaired. He repaired. Ubia betena sorry dem. Me yare de kurase ya to nkrase ma mentiapo. Wo tiano wo from mass and kramine. And me yare utimitena ho mama mi wuye no akwa baby private mortuary de me ashe ho. I invitation cards all over. I invited people. You've turned your mother into a merchandise and a business. Na engrofo banwo dancing in a disco because of your jeans and the person and the people are here asking God to bless them. I am not shocked that blessing have not come. Yesterday I made a very, very controversial statement. I said there are people in Alabaster who hate Kofi Oduro passionately. You may not believe it, but it's true. Wouldn't this be an Etiana? Sorry. I mean, one crow forward. One drummer and they say they are trying to slow you down. They are trying to twist the message, the emphasis. Time, will be bang war. No masha, my drummer has Akwawe or your occult too. Or your occult, I then a water. Or your occult to know a dear bantry and a water. Nobody can tell me that the witch that went to Grace Mountain to burn that church, nobody can tell me she is not a daughter of Jezebel. And this morning, Jezebel, man, Ibiwa. Don't be a fool. If you were Methodist, if you were Presby, if you were Apostolic, if you were Roman, if you were CSC, they are everywhere. They all chase him and on one who will chase you. Think about that. Any of the tears, sorry. Any Christian, someone can yeah. Say yes, some Christo, and it was someone can walk me no in Shia, baby. It didn't near soon some yammy. At then I wore better Hanamans, my better near the one to ten crew. Why? Oh, Basso will be on any class or which you know, umpers on any casa, who will be crap as all fair. A diakuma phone no. We pija once as a wool sorry, brother, yame ben no. I want to ask you the question. Before be wosua just what can the wa akoma so awi ansa it wonkronkron na dwuma ne say where is the Holy Ghost that wonkronkron na dwuma ne say. The Bible said in Job chapter 32 and verse 18, the spirit within me constrains me. Oh my woman, you know, it constrains me. The spirit the spirit will always constrain. Come on, and kasa and ko and yes, the spirit will constrain you. The Timothy didn't the spirit and constrain you. Opinion a year to them, nikuno to them, omon kasa. Have we become that? A DNA bit in your bass will be time you be to the point to say. Free some mommy women have never seen a church building bent before. There is no Muslim, proper or improper, who will ever burn a mosque. Never. Nya sorry ba. Apa petru. Kwa sorry. As wo bompa ye ni bi. As wo ka ho. As wo ba afodi ni bi. Hwie petru gu air conditions. Nkonya equipments, cameras. Enom ne ade kapesa. Enkrofo kaprete kusempoa. Yakeka bomu ayede akoto no. Eye ne time. Say onyame adwuma ekoso. Enkrofo koi bod dance. Ewa Sports Stadium. You don't celebrate that you don't go burning their houses or being a Kofi, be an Independence Square now or the musician free Jamaica any American you don't go burning their house. Why are you so envious and jealous? Why are you filled with hatred in your heart? Because when you're tell me, we are in the generation of the Antichrist. Antichrist. I love how Jesus puts it in Matthew chapter 24 and verse number 9. The Bible said in this place, he said, then shall they deliver you to be afflicted, and they will kill you. They will kill you. They will kill you. They will kill you. One more pewekum. Ubi shawa hiasi enya hiasi keke. Eko obi nkunu akadem. And may I remind you, who kunu no bi penu. Ubi pewu kunu no. I was in London preaching. The lady, came to me Sunday morning. Say, Yanwa came in Pibum free. Say, Ebradia catch me. Say, me suffer ye me kuno. Now, say, now suffer you. So I worry what mammy answer. Or say, when you miss you be kuno no what the mammy. And I say, because God will never give you what belongs to another man. Especially when that man is righteous and holy and straight to the point. God will never do that. Oh, ba sorry nanka nkwaji enti na oba betena. Afedi wa be kunkwasi antoka. Me ma me yare ye wo ma mesra me ye me papa wu ye wo ma momenso ense hunu sei na afedi wugidi edi akire. Wo ba ha no nanso abode bi da ha wo dwene se wo ba befa. Ye krankwaji wo adwuma ye ni abre epe bebi ma ye krada che se ye ni Kristo benya yonkofa ni aya asase so nchine ni wiase kanea wo aba ha and you are fighting and na me yiri wu ye and na me ma me wu ye no ma mom so hunu sei and na wa bada wudi akire
na asebe ba ye no on se Ghana ha ye wo mra wo ha no o ntimi fru ma mu e me dinsemunu sebe e wo ye ban mu fine ma no sebe so ma ye mu fufufu amawa you can't record them. Ntimi and take their photograph and videos of them as omunaya amanaya foko. They thought said they've met their life partners, but onkona unu adwen he otirimu nese without their knowledge, without their consent omukura ni muda nese o video wo mo nese entwe yi it eno ana Sam George actually say with the help of the cybercrime and other cyber security authority omu everybody ana omu extradite that Russian guy no Eden Aba Ghana now we face Ghana yembra because ade wedding yembra sem ana wo ye no.
Cybersecurity Authority is one of the agencies under my ministry, and I'm sure leading up to the Christmas, you guys saw the clampdown we did on cybercrime and fraud and all of that. Part of what we do is also to deal with sextortion and child online protection. In this instance, I'm sure you're referencing the Russian gentleman who came into the country. Yesterday, I caused the ministry to send an invitation to the Russian ambassador. I intend to see him this week and have a conversation with him. We're taking a very strong view of it. The individuals involved are not minors. None of them is a minor. They're grown-up adults who made decisions. What the Cybersecurity Authority is interested in, and my ministry is interested in, is not in the moral judgment of the individuals. It's in the non-consensual sharing of the videos that were posted online. That is a crime. It's not a crime to be able to convince a man or a woman to go into your room with you in 6 minutes. That's not a crime by the law. That's a personal decision to make. But it is a crime to record a person without their consent. And apart from, and even when you record and keep it on your phone, and the person finds out and reports to us, we will prosecute you and you go to jail. That's the law of the land. Now, you don't just record it, but you go and post it on a website for financial gain. That gentleman will be looked for. We will activate every resource in our disposal, working with Interpol. The way we've worked with Interpol to extradite Ghanaians to other jurisdictions, we will request the Russian authorities, and that's why I've invited a Russian ambassador, to work with our law enforcement. We want the gentleman to come to Ghana, to be brought back to Ghana, extradited to Ghana, for him to face the rigors of our law. Ghanaian citizens, irrespective of their decision making, will be protected by their government. The government of John Dramani Mahama will ensure that every citizen's rights are protected. And you cannot record a citizen without their consent and air that or post that online. That constitutes a crime under the Cyber Crime Offences Act, the Cyber Security Authority Act, CSA Act 1038 of Ghana, passed in 2020 by Parliament. So we will work on it. We're working on it. We'll be with my Lelu team at Cybersecurity is building a full docket. Whether we have the gentleman or not, I intend for us to file a full prosecution. We'll make a representation before the courts, try him in absentia, and get judgment if he fails to show up. But we will not let this go. I mean, my colleague Minister for Gender has issued a statement as well, because most of these victims were women. But we would pursue this to its legal conclusion and ensure that this never happens again. But once again, to our countrymen and women, we urge caution. We urge caution. I mean, we need to be minded about some of these things and careful. But on the legal parts, we will do our part. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Ubetu achere wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Media.